Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, Grand Theft Auto 5 exited unexpectedly, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on GTA 5 easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into users, and then you're going to select your username, you're going to go into documents, you're going to go into Rockstar Games here, and then you're going to go into your game. So if you're on GTA 5 Legacy, you're going to go into GTA 5 Legacy. If you're using GTA 5 Enhanced, you're going to go into Enhanced. Then you're just going to delete the settings.xml file. This stores your graphics or keybinds or audio settings, so just delete this file. And after that, you're going to open up the platform where you have the game on. So I'm going to show you how to do it on all three platforms: Steam, Epic Games, and Rockstar Games. I'll show you Steam first. You're going to right click on GTA 5. I'm going to use CS as an example. You're going to go into properties. You're going to go into install files, click verify integrity of games files, and now I'll show you how to do it on Epic Games. You're going to go into library, and then you'll have these three dots right on GTA 5. You want to click on them, go into manage, click verify here, and that should verify your games files. And now I'll show you how to do it on the Rockstar Games Launcher. You're going to go into settings here, and then you're going to scroll down, and here you'll have the button for scan games files. You're going to click onto it, and that should scan your games files, and once it scans the files, it will fix any errors it encounters, and that should fix your issue. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.